Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and if you want to pamper the pup in your life, but give them something that is good for them too, these lamb gullet sticks from Dog Chits are just the thing. If you're as picky as my mom is about what she feeds her dog, then you're going to be so pleased. They have natural glucosamine in them, which is great for promoting mobility and movement. Plus, once you give them this gullet, they aren't going to give it up. In fact, my mom's dog was like jumping away from me because it thought that I was going to take it away while I was filming. Not only are they a great one ingredient treat, but they can be useful for training too. These come 15 to a pack and are quite odoriferous, so your dog is definitely going to try to get them out of the package before you even open it. These are braided, so it gives your dog something it can really chew on, it will last a while, and it'll be great for their dental upkeep. So if you're particular about what your dog ingests and you want something they're gonna love and not be able to leave alone, you have to check out these lamb gullets from Dog Chits, and that's my point of view.